now we are going to understand for this particular output. So whenever if you give the value of 4, so many people will maybe guess and write that particular program. If you understand the previous program, but still here I is written samely. Later we will go and understand the further logic. See here, same stdio.h, coio.h, we need to declare 3 variables, one for iteration, one for entering the number, another for finding the factorial. So after that you are going to ask the end user to enter the number. So see here, you have totally 3 variables. Please write here. So first I am going to write the n memory, and next f memory. N is having some memory location and f is also having some location. In f, 1 is there. For example, enter any number. So enter any number. The end user enter the 4. 4 is going to be stored using this particular statement. So 4 is the n value. Now first I is going to be initialized to 1. So please write I equals to 1. Then come here. I less than or equals to n. I is 1. Less than or equals to what is that? 4. 1 less than or equals to 4 is right. So come here. Now f equals to f into I. It's okay. It's okay. But we need to display 1 first time. 1 means I equals to 1. You can display the value. So I am rubbing this thing right now. I am going to rub this particular thing right now. Okay. See here. Right now I am going to rub this particular thing. So you are going to write like this. Okay. So first time 1 must be displayed. After that cross displayed. After that 2 will be displayed. So if we are going to run I value from 1 to n up to 4, every time 1, 2, 3, 4 it will be displayed, no? So we are going to write first time 1 cross is going to be displayed. Second time 2 cross is going to be displayed. Third time 3 cross have to be displayed. Fourth time not 4 cross, 4 equals to have to be displayed. So if you write like this, for example, if you write printf, okay, without writing slash n, in the same line all the things is going to be displayed now. So you have to write %d cross comma I value. If you write like this, what happened? What happened in the entire for loop? In the entire for loop, 1 cross, 2 cross, 3 cross, 4 cross, last factorial is printf factorial f value is 24. Then what happened? Everything is going to become a cross. At last, whenever I value is going to be matches with n is 4 right now. N is 4. If n value is 3, then it is the last value. So I value is also becomes 3. Then we must terminate to equals to. So my logic here is, so many persons having a different logic. My logic here is, if it is in the last position, if 1, 4 no, if 4 is not equals to 1, so 1 cross is displayed. Then increment, 4 is equals to no, then display 2 equals 2 cross. Next 4 is not matches with 3, then display 3 cross. Next 4 is matches with 4, then display 4 equals to. So the logic here is, if I is equals to n, whenever I is going to be matches with, I will write here, whenever I is going to be matches with n, then display printf %d equals to, in the place we are displaying I value, else printf %d cross comma I. This is the logic. This is the logic under the for loop. Next we are going to display printf %d comma f. That's it. Get ch and close. So let us understand that first I value is First, I value is 1, right? I equals 1. 1 less than or equals to 4. Yes, it is right. It comes inside and check whether I is equals to n. I is 1, n is 4. Both are not matching. So it comes to the else part and print percentage %d cross. Percentage %d. In the place of percentage %d, I will be displayed. So 1 cross is going to be displayed. Next, after that, this is the code in the for loop. After that, it will go for iteration. That means I becomes 2. 2 less than or equals to n. n means 4. 2 less than or equals to 4 is right. Now we are checking I is equals to n or not. I is 2, n is 4. Both are matched? No. So it will go else part. Else part, I in the place of percentage %d, I value is displayed. What is the I value? 2. I value is 2. 2 cross is displayed. Now 2 cross is displayed. Once again, I plus plus. I becomes 3. 3 less than or equals to 4 is right. 3 less than or equals 4 means n value is 4. Right. So comes inside. I is equals to n. I is 3, n is 4. Both are not matching. It goes else part. Printf 4. What is the I value? 3. 3 cross is going to be displayed. 3 cross is going to be displayed. Next, I plus plus. I becomes 4. 4 less than or equals to, what is the n value? 4. Okay, right. Come inside. Now check I is equals to n. I is 4, n is 4. Both are matching. Then come and perform this statement. What is that? Percentage %d equals to. That means I value applied here. What is I value? 4. 4 equals to will be displayed here. 4 equals to displayed. Okay. Then I plus plus. I equals to 5. 5 less than or equals to n means 4. It is wrong. So it come outside. And after that, in the after for loop, we return percentage %d f. What is the final value of f? Okay, we missed the statement. Every time the f is going to be calculated now. So what is the statement we missed in the for loop? That is f equals to f into I. So I forgot this. This particular logic you written. At the same time you need to write f equals to f into I. That means every time factorial is going to be calculated. So finally what is the factorial value? 24. So 24 is going to be displayed here. Every time you need to write this particular statement. Don't forget to write the statement. So this is the logic header. So this statement must be right. Okay. So this is the final thing. So what the analysis is going to take. So this is the output what you can get for this particular program. Okay, sometimes this is the tricky for the logic. If you go for reverse, 4 equals to 4 into 2 into 3 into 1, then go for I equals to n and I greater than or equals to 1, I minus minus, remaining everything is same to same. Okay, done.